Welcome back to a rainy day episode of Wake Up and Live with Bob. Um, Jamaica is a very popular tourist destination and it does have a lot of gimmicks. Gimmicks like Jamaica No Problem or Irie Man or even Soon Come. Uh, but I want to talk today about the Soon Come culture. Because while the soon come culture is looks very cute on t-shirts, it can cause you a lot of headache and cost you a lot, a big expense. If you're a person doing construction, for example, you do not want to give a deposit and have someone keep telling you days after days that they'll soon come. All right, that's a very common thing in Jamaica. And so while it's a cute little cultural, sociocultural thing about Jamaica and it looks good on t-shirt, it does not spell well for business. Um, it creates a drag, it creates insecurity, it creates distrust, and it can breed dishonesty in business. So while it's good for a tourism slogan, it doesn't do well. So if you're a person hiring someone for any reason at all, not just construction, but construction is one of the areas where people struggle with this cultural behavior of soon come um, a lot. And you could sit and develop cost overrun on the house you're building or whatever you're building, because a person will tell you, oh, as soon come. And soon come usually means that they're working for someone else during that time, or they just can't muster up enough professionalism to come and take care of their obligation that both of you have. All right. So again, there are lots of cute little sociocultural practices about Jamaica, but I do want to warn you about one of them, and yes, the soon come culture, big problem. Got to be careful. Uh, Thank you for watching Wake Up and Live with Bob. If you haven't yet done so, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and tell someone about us. And thanks again for watching.